Ever wondered how to invest 5,000 euros? Well, you've landed in the right place. Today, we're exploring the myriad ways you can turn that sum into a growing investment. But remember, before you dive in, it's crucial to define your financial goals, understand your time horizon, and gauge your risk tolerance. These factors are key in determining the right investment strategy for you. Stick around, because we're about to delve into the best ways to invest your 5,000 euros. And don't forget, if you haven't already, click that subscribe button to be the first to get our new videos. Stay tuned. First up, we have exchange-traded funds, or ETFs. These are funds that trade on an exchange, much like individual stocks. One of the primary appeals of ETFs is that they offer instant diversification. Instead of putting all your eggs in one basket, so to speak, with a single stock or bond, an ETF allows you to spread your investment across a wide range of assets. This could be a particular stock index, a specific sector, or even commodities. So, let's say you're bullish on technology, but aren't sure which tech stocks to pick. A technology ETF could be a great option, as it will invest in a broad selection of tech companies. Or, if you believe the price of gold is going to rise, you could opt for a gold ETF. ETFs are a solid option for both beginners and experienced investors alike. Next up, let's talk about investing in individual stocks and mutual funds. Have you ever dreamed of owning a piece of a big, successful company? With a budget of 5,000 euros, that dream can become a reality. You can choose to invest in individual stocks of well-established companies or promising growth companies. It's all about finding the right balance between potential returns and risk. Just think of it as buying a small piece of a company. If the company does well, so do you. But remember, stocks can be volatile, and the value of your investment can go down as well as up. Now, when it comes to investing in stocks, research is crucial. You need to understand the company's business model, its market position, and its future growth prospects. And don't forget to diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, don't invest all your money in one company or one sector. Now let's switch gears and talk about mutual funds. A mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle consisting of a portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. It's like a basket filled with different types of investments. When you buy a share of a mutual fund, you're essentially buying a piece of this entire basket. One of the great things about mutual funds is that they offer professional portfolio management. That means there's a team of experts making investment decisions on your behalf. They're the ones doing the research, analyzing trends, and making the tough calls. And because a mutual fund includes a variety of investments, it can offer you a level of diversification that can be hard to achieve on your own. Whether you're considering investing in individual stocks or mutual funds, remember this: diversification is key. By spreading your investments across a variety of companies and sectors, you can help protect yourself against the ups and downs of the market. Remember, diversification is key when investing in stocks and mutual funds. Now, let's shift gears to bonds and real estate. Picture bonds as IOUs, where you lend your money to an entity, like a government or corporation, for a set period of time. In return, you receive interest payments periodically, and the principal amount once the bond matures. Bonds can provide a steady stream of income, but remember, they're not risk-free. Government bonds are generally seen as safer, but corporate bonds can offer higher returns with a bit more risk. And how about real estate? Well, you don't need to buy a house or land to invest in this sector. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, let you invest in portfolios of real estate assets. Think of them like mutual funds, but for properties. They can offer a balance of income and growth, as you can benefit from rental income and potential property appreciation. Alternatively, real estate funds pool money from various investors to invest in a variety of real estate projects. So, whether you're looking for the steady income from bonds or the potential growth and income from real estate, these options bring diversity to your portfolio. They can help balance out the ups and downs from stock market investments, providing a smoother investment journey. Whether it's bonds or real estate, both can be an integral part of your investment portfolio. Last but not least, let's touch upon cryptocurrencies and retirement savings. Cryptocurrencies, though a relatively new entrant in the investment world, have made quite a splash. They're known for their potential for high returns, but it's crucial to remember they also come with high volatility. This means the value of your investment can swing dramatically in a short span of time. It's not for the faint of heart and requires a good deal of research and understanding. Now, let's shift gears to something a bit more traditional: retirement savings. If you haven't started setting aside funds for your golden years, now is the perfect time. Consider investing in individual retirement plans or pension accounts. These savings vehicles often come with tax benefits and provide a secure way to grow your wealth over time. Remember, investing in your retirement isn't about making a quick buck. It's a long-term commitment that can secure your financial future. So there you have it, several ways to invest your 5,000 euros. From exchange-traded funds that provide instant diversification to individual stocks of promising companies, you have a plethora of options. Diversified mutual funds take the hassle out of portfolio management, while government or corporate bonds offer a steady income stream. Real estate investment trusts and real estate funds bring the property market within your reach without the need for physical ownership. Even the volatile world of cryptocurrencies could be an option, but remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. And let's not forget about securing your golden years with retirement savings. The key here is diversification, thorough research, and aligning your investments with your financial goals. Consult a financial advisor for personalized investment strategies. Remember, investing should not be a gamble, but a calculated move towards securing your financial future. Happy investing! Before we wrap up, we want to remind you that investing is a journey, not a destination. It's about making informed decisions, taking calculated risks, and building a secure financial future. We hope this guide has given you some insights into how you can invest 5,000 euros wisely. But remember, the market is always changing, so it's crucial to stay informed. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more investment guides, tips, and strategies. We regularly update our content to reflect the latest market trends and investment opportunities. Your support helps us create more informative content for all of you. So if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that bell icon to never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned for more insightful investment advice. Happy investing!